Unveiling the Mystery, the Story of Daylight Robbery. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, daylight robbery. This expression has a rich history and a usage that might surprise you. If you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and cultural knowledge, you're in the right place. Daylight robbery refers to a situation where someone is charged an unfairly high price for something. It's like saying you feel like you're being robbed, but in broad daylight, where everything is supposed to be clear and fair. This phrase is often used in a figurative sense to express shock or disbelief at the high cost of items or services. The term, daylight robbery, has an interesting history. It is commonly believed to originate from a tax imposed in 17th century England, where people were taxed based on the number of windows their houses had. This led to people bricking up their windows to avoid the tax, leading to a lack of daylight in their homes. Thus, the tax was seen as a robbery of daylight, hence, daylight robbery. However, this story, while popular, isn't definitively proven to be the phrase's origin. To help you understand how to use daylight robbery in everyday conversation, let's look at some examples. I can't believe the price of movie tickets these days. It's daylight robbery. Paying double the price for water at the airport feels like daylight robbery. This phrase is perfect for situations where you want to express that something is overly expensive in a somewhat informal and humorous way. And there you have it. The phrase, daylight robbery, is a colorful way to describe being overcharged or facing exorbitant prices. It's a testament to the English language's ability to capture the human experience with flair and history. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing expression. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the stories behind the phrases we use. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.